Welcome to Switch Statement. Simplify multi-way decisions fast. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using long chains of if-else statements for many conditions becomes messy and hard to read. How to handle multiple conditions cleanly? Long if-else chains are messy, hard to read and maintain, error-prone with many conditions. Switch statements provide cleaner, more readable multi-way branching. How is switch statement used in the real world? Menu selection. Handle user input choices, state machines. Control program flow states, error handling. Process different error types. Switch statement powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without switch statement, using many if-else chains for multiple conditions? Look at how messy the code gets. Repetitive if-else chains, hard to read and maintain, prone to errors. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, switch statement. Look how clean the code is now. Cleaner than if-else chains. Faster execution, easy to read and maintain. Compare the difference. And that is why we use switch statement. Let's see how to implement switch statement in code. Here is the implementation. Define variable, set day value to test. Switch statement, evaluate variable value. Case match, handle specific value. Default case, handle unmatched values. Break statement, exit switch block. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the purpose of the default case in switch? Which one is correct? The correct answer is default runs if no case matches the expression. What happens without break in a case? Which one is correct? The correct answer is without break, execution continues to next case. What types can switch expression be in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is switch supports int, char, string, enum, and wrappers. What's printed if day equals 2? Which one is correct? The correct answer is no break after case 2, so falls through to default. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. Like if you learned something new today,